Hello, I'm Lake, and I'm here with my project partner Matt, and we are the creators of Athlete Journal. And just a little recap of what our app is. It's basically a blog posting site for collegiate and high school athletes to share their experiences with the sports that they're involved with. So, getting started with our application, you see a login screen. And our user does not have an account, so we're going to click on Create an Account. And basically what this page is going to do is it is going to allow us to create an account um, based on the information in the field. So we'll just create a test account for us with some basic information. So whenever we create the account, we'll push this over to a web server that basically is the backend for the entire iOS project that we built. Almost all the data that's transferred for our application is done through this backend web server. So we click create account. It'll take a little bit since it's a basic server, but as you can see, we're redirected back to the login screen. Notice how whenever we go to click on the email that it allows us to see, or it gets rid of the basketball at the top of the screen with the key when the keyboard goes up. So we'll put in our information that we use to log in. Click sign in. Also takes a little bit, but that's fine. And now I'm going to pass it off to Matt to explain what you're looking at right now.
All right, so this is basically the same story view you saw in our previous presentation, except we've done a few things to spice it up a bit. Firstly, we added sort of a little abstract feature to each list section that gives you a little taste of what's going on in the article. So if we click on the Apple post, this one's just for fun, just a little ASCII Apple. But if we go back out and click on the second post from of the very own Mark Zuckerberg. We'll see that shows the full article and everything there. We can go back out and let's say we wanted to create a brand new post. So we go in here, create new article. One thing to note is that when the keyboard comes up, the UI kind of shifts up to support that. Originally, it did not do that. It would cover up text. It would move stuff all over the place. This was especially apparent in the login view, which is why we have the basketball disappearing, because stuff would jumble all over the place. So now that that's working, it looks pretty good. So like I'll type in something here real quick, and we can create a new post. And when we do that, it'll update the web server. And then we'll see that when the new post is created, it is now in the list of stories. And if you go over to the profile tab, you'll see that there's your profile and it starts a list of your posts. So if you create more posts, they'll start stacking on that list and you'll be able to see everything. Basically, that's everything we have on our app now. It's a very good app for sharing your stories, especially for an athletic setting where people can share their workouts or their like favorite game experiences or notable moments. Yeah, there we go.
Thank you.